Hi everyone, and welcome back to Adwoa Biotech, where we make biosciences clear. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to use Excel to track your lab reagents and consumables and automatically flag when they're about to expire or when stock is running low. Excuse the voice, I have a cold at the moment, but we must soldier on. First, let's set up a simple stock tracking sheet. In column A, I'll put the item name. In column B, the stock quantity. And in column C, the expiration date. That's all we need to get started. Now, we want Excel to warn us when something is close to expiring. To do that, select all the expiration dates in column C, and then you go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula and type this formula. So you put equals and in capitals, then the open brackets, the cell. You just need to click on the cell. You don't have to drag it through to the entirety of it. Minus today, open bracket, close bracket, less than equals 30, semicolon, then the cell, greater than equals today, open bracket, close bracket, and then close the whole argument off with another bracket. So you'll find that this way is much more logical than using the preset rules where you use the less than, between, or greater than. And so what's happening here is it's working out it's letting Excel know that if you have a blank, for instance, that doesn't necessarily have to be flagged. It doesn't mean that it's expire within 30 days. And so that's where you see the greater than equals today. So it needs to be at least. So some of those arguments just help you to not have everything flagged if it's well into the future or if it's blank. So what this means is if the expiration date is within the next 30 days, Excel will highlight it and you can choose any color. But I like using yellow or orange to kind of show intermediate. So now we want to highlight the items that are already expired. So here we use this formula, equals